Hello friends, welcome to Math Easy and it's me Sagar with another educational as well as interesting video. Today I have brought the video on the topic of inverse function. So we'll learn about the inverse function and we'll solve some problem of it. So let's start the intro. Okay, so let's start the today's topic guys. So we are learning today about the inverse function. So let's see the meaning first. Inverse function is a reverse function of given function obtained by changing the domain and range with each other of each order pair. So in any order pair, if we change the range and domain of two with each other, then it is called inverse function. For example, let's take a function f and the order pair are 3, minus 3, 4, minus 1, 5, minus 2, 6, 2, 4 and 0, 3. Now if we change the domain and range with each other, then we get the inverse function. That means f inverse will be equals to 4, minus 3, 5, minus 1, 6, minus 2, 4, 2, 3, 0. In this way, simply we can find the inverse function of any function which is in order pair. Okay, now let's see the another function. Fx is equals to 3x plus 4 and we have to find the inverse function of fx, which is represented by f power minus 1 x. Okay, so we'll learn this process by step. So let's start. Here given the function fx is equals to 3x plus 4, then we have first step, that is let the function fx be y. So we will let the function fx be y, then it will be y is equals to 3x plus 4. Now next step is we have to interchange x and y. As we know that inverse means changing domain and range, and in this function the x is domain and y is range. Whenever we talk about any function, the value of x will represent the domain and the value of y will represent the range. So we have to exchange these two. Then interchanging x and y, we get x is equals to 3y plus 4. We have to change their position from each other. Okay, so next step will be, now we have to solve this equation and we have to obtain the value of y in terms of x. So from this equation we will solve and we will get the value of y. Then to find the value of y, we have to change the position of 4, it will be minus. Then we have to change the position of 3, then it will change into division. So y is equals to x minus 4 by 3. So this is the value of inverse. Hence obtain the value of y is the inverse function of fx. So f inverse x is equals to x minus 4 by 3. By using these steps, simply we can find the inverse function of any one. Okay, let's see the another question. This question is we can find in the math book, optional book. You can look at the book as well. Okay, it is given that fx is equals to 4x minus 17 and gx is equals to 2x plus 8 divided by 5. If f inverse x is equals to g inverse x, find the value of x. So if you see the question, we have given two functions, fx and gx, and after that the equation is given where f inverse x is equals to g inverse x. So if you see the equation, we have to find f inverse and g inverse first. So let's start. First we have to find the inverse of fx, then write fx is equals to 4x minus 17. So first step, we have to let y is equals to 4x minus 17. Then after that we have to interchange x and y. Then after interchanging x and y, we have to find the value of y. So changing the side 17, changing the side of 4, y is equals to x plus 17 by 4. So this is the inverse function of f. Similarly, now we have to find the inverse of gx. Then let gx be y, that is y equals to 2x plus 8 by 5. Then again we have to interchange the x and y. Then after interchanging x and y, we have to find the value of y again. So changing the position of all the numbers from y side, it is 5x minus 8 by 2 is equals to y. That means the inverse function of gx is 5x minus 8 divided by 2. In this way we have to find both inverse function. After this we have to use the equation, which is f inverse x is equals to g inverse x. So f inverse f inverse x is the in terms of composite function, and we have already learned that in composite function. My previous video I talked about this one, so if you haven't watched this one, please check out the video guys. I'll provide the link in description as well as iCard. Please check out. And now put the value of f inverse x. F will be same, then we have to put the value of f inverse x is equals to again g inverse x. We have to put the value of it. Okay, so after that now we have the new function f, and the bracket value is there and equals to other values there. So this one we have to take on as fx. So the function fx is given by 4x minus 17. That means this bracket value will be the value of this x. So simply in this fx function we have to replace this x by its bracket value. So it will be 4 into x value minus 17. This comes from the function fx. Then remaining is same. Now 4 and 4 cancel. Then similarly x plus 17 minus 17 is equals to 5x minus 8 divided by 2. Now plus 17 minus 17 also cancel. Then cross multiply by 2, we get 2x equals to 5x minus 8. Now changing the side, 5x minus 2x equals to 8. Then 3x equals to 8. So the value of x is 8 by 3. In this way we can solve this kind of problem. So this much for the today video guys. Okay, if you have any question you can ask in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't done that, and share with your friends. Thank you so much.